G-L-A-M-O. What is going on, guys? I wasn't just listening to Glamorous by Fergie or anything, but how would you guys like to know how you can get paid up to $12 per song listening to these? And yes, it could possibly be, maybe or not, Glamorous by Fergie. So guys, if you are interested on learning how to make money literally listening to your AirPods or your headphones if you have wires nowadays, but just kidding, you are not gonna want to miss this. I don't know about you guys, but music kind of makes the world go round. It's certainly a big part in my life, and I'm sure it's a huge part in your guys' life. And, you know, I kind of thought, well, shoot, why can't you just get paid for doing something you already love? Because that's the dream, right? Be able to get paid for what you love to do, or what you're already doing that you love. And for most of us, that's music. Listening to music is super easy, super fun, and shoot, some of us listen to it like half of their day. I don't know. I listen to a lot of music, but I'm sure some people got me beat on that. But I have found a way that works worldwide, works for anybody, where you can basically listen to your AirPods, listen to music, and get paid up to $12 per song straight to your PayPal. And so today, this website is playlistpush.com. And so basically what this is as you can see, you can get paid to review songs. Pay per review, earn up to $12 per song review. And they got instant payouts via PayPal. And basically what this is a solution to a problem. As you can see, I'm actually from Dallas area, and more specifically, really close to Grapevine. And currently, I will be moving soon. But if you didn't know, your boy Post Malone came straight out of Grapevine. Not everyone is in Post Malone's situation. He did work extremely hard to get where he is, but not everyone gets that chance or has their path in that direction, and they need a little more help. When you're an artist, you would like to go land a music record with a label company, but that's pretty difficult, and a lot of the times they take a huge percentage out of that and basically own you. And really no one likes that, no one wants that, but that happens sometimes. And so basically the solution is, since that industry is already ridiculously competitive, people, young aspiring artists, needed a solution, right? So this solution was and is Playlist Push. So this is a way for young artists to put their music out on this and basically get noticed and get recognized and get people talking about them so they can move forward and get to those higher levels like Post Malone did, so they can actually make it and become a successful artist or songwriter or whatever it may be. So with Playlist Push, that solves this problem. It helps get new artists out there and get their name out there, and you can get paid for listening to their music, which is freaking sweet. It's a win-win for both. So how exactly does this work? So like I said, we are in the curators tab here, and that's what we're going to be. We're going to be a curator in order to get paid, to be able to listen to this music and get paid. We're basically going to come here, click sign me up, and come in here. And like I said, this is proof that you can do this from just about anywhere in the world. You can just come in here and you pick your country. And so we're going to pick our country, and we're going to click United States here. And we're just signing up for the deal, wherever U is, United States. And this is a great example. We're going to click don't have a playlist. And you're like, boom, you can't become a curator on Playlist Push. And you're like, dude, what the heck, Rhett? This is a scam. This is lies. And I'm like, hold your horses. Hold your horses. With this, you have to have a minimum of 400 followers on your playlist. And you're like, dude, bro, I don't have that. I don't know how to get that. This is a ripoff. Like I have zero. I clicked I do not have a playlist yet. And you're like, dude, what's going on here? So don't worry, guys. I got a solution for you So you can figure this out. And again, guys, this is going to be coming up towards the end. So do not exit out of this video. Do not skip, because you're going to miss out on that. And realize that there are strategies that I'm going to show you that makes it so you can get 400 followers like nothing in like a day, where you can use that to now start earning money while listening to music. So the first thing to do here is to identify exactly what type of music is going to be the most popular. What is going to give us the fastest results to get to that 400 and start making us money? And those are going to be the most popular ones, which is hip hop and EDM. These two are what you want to focus on. If there's another one you think, oh man, this is a banger category, a banger genre, then fire away. But these are the two best ones that you can use to gain some traction as quick as possible so you can start earning money literally listening to music. So we're going to have those two in mind, and we're going to need to build a playlist. And again, you're like, dude, Rhett, where do I get the, what do you mean build? How do you, playlist? What do you mean? So I got you. What we're going to do here, we're just going to come in here and type top 100 EDM songs. But we're probably going to want to do 2019 or 2020 because there's probably no 2020 yet. But we can type that in. Here we go. Best EDM house hits right here. So we can basically come here, gather a bunch of these songs. Hopefully it doesn't start playing. Good. Gather a bunch of these songs, make a playlist, and post this somewhere to get followers. And you're asking, okay, again, another question for Rhett. I got you guys. Where are we posting this? How are we actually doing this? So this is how you get songs. You literally just type in the top songs, top 10 of whatever genre you're picking, and compile a list of the top songs, whether it be top 10, top 50, top 100, and this can be your playlist that you're going to post. And so where are we posting it? How are we getting followers? Next is going to be going to Spotify or whatever. Spotify seems to be and is the most popular music app out there right now. I mean, yeah, you've got Spotify, you've got Pandora, you've got Apple Music. All of these are pretty up there, but why not just choose the biggest one? And that's Spotify right now. So we're going to just type, go to a subreddit for Spotify. So we can just type in literally Spotify subreddit. And we can come in here. Here we go. Reddit Shopify. This is right here is where we can post our compiled playlists on here and start getting people seeing them, listening to them, and following them, where you can start ticking off at that 400 mark so you can start earning money really quick. And of course, guys, when you're posting this, the wording you want to use is not, oh, you know, got some sweet beats from 2004 coming at you hot. Nah, man, you need to have the hottest, the freshest, 2020, brand new, amazing beats and music coming at you at this playlist. You do not want to miss it. You have to hear this sweet playlist soundtrack. You have to be a wordsmith with this and say, these are the most popular songs, the newest songs, because that's what you searched. And you just have to communicate that to these people so they see it and they watch and listen. So another great way, if you're good at SEO and building websites, is you can build a website. You can make a website and optimize your SEO for that. And that's another great way. I'm not going to obviously dive into that because you either know how and are good with SEO or you're not. So that's another option. First option is this subreddit. The other option is making a website. And really my favorite, number 3, coming at you. This is the one you guys were waiting for, right? I told you guys to wait. You're waiting. And most people a lot of times would go, hey, don't click out of the video. Wait for this amazing hack at the end, and it never comes. You're like, dude, I thought there was a hack. No, here we go. This is the number 1 way, the easiest way to really get those 400 followers so you can start really getting money and actually making money listening to music. So we can literally come in here to YouTube and type in top Spotify playlists of 2020, And this is exactly what these people are doing. This is what I'm telling you guys that you need to do and that I've done, and you need to put this in here and do exactly what is going on and happening every day. And these guys are making tons of money just raking it in by just listening to music and uploading playlists. So you can see here, this is just a playlist right here. Here's a playlist right here. And all of these playlists, like right here, Spotify top songs. This guy's got 17,000 views 15 hours ago. Like, that's ridiculous. Top 50 rap songs of 2020, 280,000 views. And I mean, that's just 2 of them. And those have just been uploaded. And you can use this to really boost up that follower count along with those other 2 strategies that I told you. This is the easiest and the best, where you just make a playlist, throw it up on YouTube, and just watch all the views and the followers start coming in so you can get up to that 400 point mark and start making that money, baby. And the third one is SoundPlate. So we're going to come in here to SoundPlate, not Plag, SoundPlate. And this basically is just another place, another platform, along with the Spotify subreddit, a website, and YouTube to submit your playlist to in order to get that exposure, those views, and those follows, so you can then in turn start making money via playlist push by listening to music. So, I mean, you can see here, they've got all kinds of different playlists and categories by genre. And obviously, if you're doing EDM or hip hop or rap or country, maybe, then you can just throw that into there and you can upload the playlist here and you can start getting more exposure to all these people so you can start earning that sweet, sweet dinero. Right, guys? So if you guys enjoyed this, that is how we're making money literally listening to music. The 21st century blows my mind every day on how many ways there are to make money online. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe down low and ring that little bell so you guys can stay on top and aware of the newest and latest ways to make money online. Because if you aren't finding out about it first or early, someone else is. Someone else is taking advantage of it. Someone else is taking action. And someone else is making that money other than you. Don't let that person be you. Be the person that takes action here, subscribes, rings the bell so they can invest in themselves to stay on top of the latest strategies so they can take action, earn more money, and start living life the way it is truly meant to be lived. Free and limitless, guys. That's what we're talking about. That's what I want for each and every one of you, because that is what everyone deserves. And I am trying hard, and I'm throwing these videos together so you guys can have different ways and different weapons in your arsenal to use and just blow it up, guys. Thanks again. Love y'all. Until next time.